babes, and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic and beautiful day. I'm wearing glasses. I can see you, or I can see the phone in front of me. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe below. Hope you guys are digging the pebbles look. I kind of am, like, that in the, you know, the glasses. Definitely digging it. So don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. Today we are gonna do an unboxing from Single Swag, and I know I'm not exactly single, but I love their box. If you haven't heard from Single Swag, it is Single Swag. It is a monthly subscription where it is $39.99 a month. That's if you choose like their premium, which is 6 to 7 full-size products. They have a petite version where I think you get like 3 or 4 products and it's not as much. I just figure if you're gonna splurge, you might as well splurge. And I splurged. So I've had actually several of their boxes before and I really like it. It has a good cause. It's supposed to be about women empowerment, loving yourself, you know, accepting who you are, that extra little love that you need. And I love how they say that each box is curated with love. There's just that special little touch that just makes it so great. And there's my box, all pretty. It looks like this month was put yourself first, don't save the best for last. It says relax, smile, enjoy this month's special surprises just for you. And like I said, this is great for even if you're not single. I mean, I'm married and I have kids and I am so not single, but this box is just that perfect little box for that little pick-me-up, you know, for those beauty products. I believe there's always like a little snack or a book, just those really talking about, look at that, talking about snacks. That's a good snack. I'm already excited. So that's inside my box. So the first thing, I don't even know how to say it. I believe it's Pirouline. Who cares? They're tasty. Or at least they look tasty. There's cream-filled wafers in dark chocolate. And these are $5. It looks, indulge in these delicious treats formulated with a premium blend of fine dark cocoa nestled inside a crispy wafer cookie. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to hide these. My husband's all about the cookies. It's like he can sense when there's something sweet in the house and he just devours it. Like when my Single Swag box comes in, you know, he's actually the one who's like, what's this month's snack? That type of thing. So our next product, this little thing, it says relax. It smells really good. I can smell it while I'm holding it in my hand. It's Sea Minerals Renewing Body Butter. That's quite a bit too. Like I said, why am I smelling the lid, guys? Come on now. Where's my keys? They make these products so hard to get in sometimes. So it looks like it is a body butter and I've totally just made a mess. As you can see, nice consistency. Ooh, it smells so good. It's like a sweet floral scent, but not completely overpowering. Something that you could even just put on after you take a shower in the morning and that could be basically your body fragrance. This was $24 and it says treat yourself to a spa-like experience with this luxe product containing Dead Sea minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium that create a layer of moisture for the dirtiest of skin. Oh, driest of skin. Dirtiest of skin. Okay, this box just turned naughty. No, the driest of skin, leaving your skin soft and silky smooth. Whew. Okay, next item. I don't know what it is. It feels kind of squishy and hard at the same time. It is from Daily Concepts, Multifunctional Soap Sponge Charcoal. That's interesting. It says achieve a deep and detoxifying clean with this soap and charcoal infused sponge. Oh, so that's cute. So it's a sponge, but it has charcoal in it. I'm guessing. It looks like this was $10. It says there's soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. It's a mild exfoliating multifunctional soap sponge infused with detoxifying charcoal designed to purge your skin of impurities and elevate the overall texture of skin. That sounds so fun, and it's so little. I feel like it's so little I'll have to like put it somewhere special, or I don't know, go down the drain. No, my drains aren't that big, but you know what I mean. There's always like a little jewelry item too in each box, and they're always so cute, even for you, or even like gifts. I've got necklaces, bracelets. 1 month I got like the bracelet, but that it connects to your finger. So cool. I wear it all the time. Makes me look fancy. I was about to say fancy as hell, but it makes me look fancy, and I like it. So this is from Ettika, Los Angeles, California. And inside it looks like it is a multi-gold necklace. This is $75. $75, and it says whether you're wearing it on the weekend or at work, concert, or night on the town, this elegant layered necklace in gold will be your go-to piece year round. Holy crap. $75. Ooh, and it's really pretty. So it looks like here's a little clasp. It does have a clasp, but then it hangs like that. I really like how it's structured, how it's got that kind of whimsical feel to it. So I'm very excited to try that out. Couple things left in the box. Ooh, this is fun. This is from Velvet. It looks like it's a luxurious facial jade crystal roller. Roller. How is it I'm wearing glasses and I can see the words, yet I still can't speak English? I should work on that. So benefits: it removes toxins, drains lymph nodes, soothes skin, depuffs skins. I've heard like using this, like as you put even your serums and your face creams, it's supposed to really help your skin. I've never used one before. I've always wanted to try it though, just because anything for your skin, I've always, you know, sounds like fun. And it's pretty massive and it's beautiful. It looks like stone. Ah, don't break it. It does feel like if you drop it, it will break though. So be very careful. So it looks like you would just use that on your skin. Ooh, fancy. Oh, and it feels so cold. I really like it. So I can't wait to try that. That looks like it is $65. It says this trending beauty tool made of 100% authentic jade crystal. So no wonder it's freaking heavy and it feels like it will break if you drop it. It's because it's real jade. It says it's designed to help release stiffness and tension in the facial and neck muscles. It says pro tip: jade rollers can be hand warmed before use or cooled in the fridge for an extra soothing effect. That's probably why I feel so good, because it's freezing. I'm so excited to try that. That looks like so much fun. I'm just gonna have to figure out an extra safe place to put it, because it feels like anything on my bathroom counter always ends up falling on the floor. So I'm gonna have to be really careful. So it looks like we only have 2 items left. It looks like the next one is from Headbands of Hope, which just sounds completely sweet. It says, your purchases create hashtag moments like this. So something tells me this is for like a really good cause. It's a gray floral knotted headband and it's $18. It's stylish, versatile headband, is soft, comfortable, and can be worn in a variety of ways. Best of all, for every headband sold, including mine, a headband is donated to a child with cancer. Oh my God, I just love this box. It's just so, I mean, if you can open a subscription box and you always feel a little bit guilty because you're like, I spent money on this, but you know that what you bought was for a good cause, it at least helps with the dirty shame of it all. Here it is, and it looks like it's stretchy. I feel like I have an extra big head, but I feel like if I wore it, oh, that'd be cute with like a little Pebbles headband. Look at that, guys. Oh, that's adorable. So cute. Okay, so last item. Our box is empty. See, so many items in here. It looks like it's from Molly Jacobs. I know that's kind of hard to read with the glare. It's a deep moisturizing lipstick. So excited. It's cruelty-free, petrochemical-free, infused with jojoba seed. Jojoba, guys. Just kidding. Never mind. Okay. Paraben-free, fragrance-free, and natural ingredients. This item was $22. Let's take a look and see. It doesn't tell you what color we got. I'm hoping it's like a pink color. Ooh, look how fancy. Holy moly. I'm gonna feel like a classy broad pulling this out of my purse. Oh wow. Okay, so not pink, but so excited. It looks like it's a really nice bright, can it be a bright dark red? It looks like a bright dark red. But holy moly, this looks so pretty. Let's see here. Oh my gosh. Obviously, not very even. Ooh, but with my hair, and I like it. Plus, I really love the packaging. I think it's absolutely aesthetically pleasing and it's beautiful. I mean, this looks like you spent like a whole bunch of money on a lipstick and you didn't. So that's really great. I already said, yes, that one was $22. Awesome. So that is my single swag box for this month. I love this box. I feel like it's a little bit of everything. You have your beauty products, your snack. There's always some sort of jewelry item or like something that goes for a good cause. Last month there was a book, which I thought was just so great. So I really like this month's box. Let me know what you guys think below. I can't wait to see what's in next month's box. And I hope everyone has a fantastic and wonderful night. Good night, guys.